你好, ni hao. Today we're gonna learn this word. 北 北 the third tone, okay? It means north, okay? Very simple word. For example, we have 北方 means the north, okay? The north of 北方北 full on fang first tone, first sound, okay? 北方 is the northern direction, okay? The northern region, okay? For example, 北方的冬天很冷 okay? 北方的冬天的冬冬天 the winter, okay? Winter 很 very 冷 very cold. The north, okay, this is 北方 north, the north, okay? 冬天 is winter, so 北方的冬天 means the winter in the north, okay? The north winter is very cold, okay? 北方的冬天很冷，北方 okay? Or you want to say a region, okay? 北部 the northern region, 北部 okay? The northern part, northern region of somewhere. For example, 加拿大 okay? 加拿大 Canada 加拿大加拿大北部 okay? 北部northern part of Canada 加拿大北部 northern part of Canada 中国北部northern part of China, okay? Or what about if you want to say the north side, okay? 北边边 first tone 北边 the northern side, okay? Northern side of somewhere. And we have, how do you say northeast in Chinese? Northeast is 东北 okay? 东北的东北third tone, okay? 东北 is it means northeast. Northeast. For example, 东北人 东北人 means people from a person from the northeast of China, okay? 东北人 Or what about northwest? 西北北西北 northwest, okay? In English you say you say northwest, right? In Chinese you say west north, okay? Same thing here. In English you say northeast. In Chinese we say east north, okay? It's the other way around. 北 and this is a word you must know if you want to learn Chinese, you're interested in Chinese culture or language. This is a word you must know. 北 京 Beijing, okay? whenever I get nervous, I can't write properly. Beijing, okay, Beijing. Let's class this up. Beijing. Okay, Beijing. Jing is capital city. Capital city. The northern capital city. That's Beijing. Okay, Beijing. Okay. Or what about the North Pole? Beiji. Bo a bei. Beiji. That's the North Pole. Okay, North Pole. Okay. What about 北风? North wind. Okay, 北风. 北风 is wind. Okay, so north wind. 北风 north wind. 北风 for example, 北风很冷. Okay, same thing, 很冷. 北风很冷. 北风很冷 means the north wind is very cold. 冷 is cold, okay? 很 is very. 很冷 very cold. And we have 北美. Okay, 北美. 北美, that's North America. North America, okay, 北美 or 北欧. 北欧 for a 北欧 first tone, okay, that's Northern Europe, Northern Europe. Okay, Northern Europe. Easy? Okay, so that's it for today. 北, today we'll learn a new word. 北, north. Okay, 北 means north. 北方 is the northern side, northern part, northern direction. Okay, 北方的冬天很冷. 北方的冬天 is winter. Okay, winter. 北方 is the northern part, northern region, the north. Okay, winter in the north is very cold. 很 is very, cold is 冷 is cold. So 北方的冬天 winter in the north is very cold. Okay, and 北部 is northern part, northern region of somewhere. 北部 for example, 加拿大北部. 加拿大 is Canada, the northern part of Canada. 加拿大北部, 中国北部, northern China, 美国北部, 美国 is America. Okay, America. 美国北部, northern part of America. 北边 is northern side, okay? 美国北边, northern side of America. Or this is 东北, it means northeast, okay? We say it the other way around in Chinese. We say 东北, which is east north, okay? East north, it means northeast. Or 西北 is northwest. In Chinese, we say west north. 东北人, we say 东北人, you mean you're talking about people from northeastern part of China, okay? 东北人. 北京 is Beijing, okay? Jing is capital city. So northern capital city, that's Beijing, okay? 北极 is North Pole. 北风 is north, 风 is wind. So 北风 means the north wind, okay? Wind that blows from the north, okay? 北风很冷. North wind is very cold. 很 is very, 冷 is cold. 北风很冷. North wind is very cold. 北美 Northern America. 美 means beautiful, but in this case it means America. So 北美 North America. 欧 means Europe. Okay, 欧北欧 Northern Europe. Northern Europe. That's it. Very simple, right? So remember this word 北 North. Okay, so have a good day. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.